Hello friends, welcome back to the video series in Oracle PL SQL programming. Already we have used the create command and the alter table commands to creating and modifying the structure of any table. Now before we start how to drop or delete any table, we first connect to the Oracle database. Now, if we want to delete any table permanently, we can use the drop command. After dropping or deleting the table, we have to remember the table would be deleted permanently. Another thing we have to remember, if the table contains data, all the data along with the table would be deleted. Let's proceed with the practical. Now, we previously created the table employee, but we do not want to drop the table employee here. So we create another table, say EMP, and at first we clear the screen using CLSCR. And to create a table EMP, as we know, create, then table, then the name of the table, that is suppose EMP, then the left parenthesis, and suppose here we are creating a column name EMP ID with the data type number, then another column name, suppose first name with the data type varchar 2 with the size suppose 10, and another column that is with the name last name and also with the data type varchar 2 with the size 10 once again, and that must be the last column of the table EMP. So here we are not using the comma, and then the right parenthesis and the semicolon. So press enter and error at line 1. So the name is already used by an existing object. That means that table name EMP is already present in the database. So here what we can do, we can use the ed command and we can change the name of the table from EMP to EMP suppose 1, and save and exit and use the slash, then enter. So the table has been created. So the newly created table name is the EMP1. So once again clear the screen at first and check the structure of the newly created table, that is EMP1. So we have the table EMP1 with the columns EMP ID, first name and last name. Now to drop or delete the table EMP1, we can use the drop command, and for that we can type drop, then the table and the name of the table which we want to delete, and here that one is EMP1 and the semicolon, and press enter. So table dropped. If we want to check if the table exists or not, then we can check here with the DESC EMP1, and here we can check object EMP1 does not exist. That means the table EMP1 has been deleted or dropped. Once again, although this table do not contain any data, if any table contain data, after drop command the data also deleted along with the table and not accessible anymore. If we need the table, it has to create it from scratch. This is how we can drop or delete any table from the database. In the next video, we should check how we can truncate any table.